Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The best way to begin any task in the name of God, the Lord, the being who is the source of all blessings and whose blessings and mercy are continually pouring upon his creation. To commence any undertaking in his name is to pray that God in his infinite mercy should come to one's assistance and bring one's work to a successful conclusion. This is man's acknowledgement of the fact that the God's servant and also brings divine assurance of success. The Quran has a special and characteristic way of expressing a believer's inner sentiments in the most appropriate words. The invocation of God is the opening chapter of the Quran, constitutes a supplications of this nature, the feelings which are naturally aroused in one after discovering the truth are expressed in these lines. Man's existence is a very great gift of God. We can estimate its greatness by the fact that man would never exchange it or even any part of it, his eyes or hands or anything, even organs of his body, for the greatest treasure of the world. Even these basic gifts of God, organs and body, are more precious than the kingdom of the kings. When man looks at the world around him, he cannot fail to notice God, even God's power and mercy, abundantly in evidence everywhere. Whenever he casts his glance, he finds extraordinary order and supervision. Everything has been extraordinarily, astonishingly adapted to man's need. The observation shows that the great cosmic machine cannot be in vain. Therefore, one realizes that there must come a day when the grateful and the ungrateful are rewarded for the way they have lived their lives in this world. One spontaneously entreated God in words to his effect, Lord, you are the master of the day of judgment. I have submitted to you and humbly seek your help. Have mercy on me. Lord, show us the path that is to you, the true path. Enable us to tread the path of your chosen servants. Help us to avoid the path of those who have gone astray and the path of those who have incurred your wrath due to their obstinacy. God requires his servant to live his life with such feelings and emotions. The opening chapter of the Quran is miniature portrayal of Islamic belief. The rest of the Quran is an enlargement of this picture.